Let's learn how to do the following problems with our graphics calculator. These problems are done in degrees, so the first thing we need to do is go to Mode and make sure we're in degree mode. We're currently in radian mode. Move it over to degrees and hit Enter. Now we're in degree mode. The cosine of 38.7 then is the cosine of 38.7. We're asked to do it to 4-digit accuracy, so 0.7804 is the answer. This problem here, we don't have a cotangent key on our calculator, but the cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent, so we can do 1 divided by the tangent of 81.1. And this is the answer here. This problem here is given in degrees and minutes. So we can type in the sine of 46, and here's angle, so second angle, 46 degrees in 30 minutes, 30 second angle minutes. And there's the answer there. We should actually realize that 46 degrees in 30 minutes is the same as 46.5 degrees. So we could check to see if we get the same thing if we put in 46.5. And we do. Now we're asked to find the measure of the acute angle to the nearest tenth of a degree if the cosine of theta is equal to 0.84. What we really need to do is take the inverse cosine of both sides. The inverse cosine of the cosine of theta is theta, and so that leaves on this side the inverse cosine of 0.84. So we can ask now the calculator, here's cosine, there's inverse cosine. Second, what is the inverse cosine of 0.84? And we do that to the nearest tenth, so it would be 32.9 degrees. Similarly, for this problem, we would take the inverse sine of both sides, but this problem, note, is asked to the nearest minute. So now what we're going to do, we'll start the same way by taking the inverse sine of 0.2654. The answer is now is given in decimal degrees. What we can do is ask through second angle for it to be converted into degrees, minutes, and seconds. So now this is in degrees, minutes, and seconds. 15 degrees, 23 minutes, and 26.6 seconds. That gives you a good idea how to do most of the skills that are necessary in dealing with trigonometry in degrees.